We're doing it. We're doing it. Bella Vita. We got the luxury set. Let's go. Let's smell all these. You guys, I have been waiting for this for so long. Let's go. In this box, we have Señorita Woman. We have Date Woman. We have Glam Woman. And we have Rose Woman. Guys, what I love about Bella Vita is that their fragrances last. They last, and they are a luxury. They're luxury quality, but so affordable. So affordable. Okay, let's break it down. The color alone, let's go. This is the Señorita Woman, and it's supposed to be a spicy, tropical, vibrant island goddess. Yes. Absolutely yes. Okay. Top notes: pineapple, passion fruit. The middle notes are ylang ylang and coconut. The base notes: tonka bean and cashmere wood. Absolutely yes. Oh, perfect. Señorita Woman. Bam. Okay, check it out. And this whole little box is on sale right now. You can swoop it up, swoop it up. Check the little orange cart below. Check in the comments. Get you some. Okay, boom. Date night. Date night. Date night is, or Date Woman is, it's a sweet, flirty vibe, okay? It's red berries and mandarin are the top notes. Middle notes are gardenia and jasmine. Base notes are caramel and sandalwood and musk. What? Date Woman. Let's go. Let's go. There it is. The Date Woman. Are you kidding me? So good. So good. Beautiful. Okay. I'm so happy with this. Okay. Then we got Glam Woman. Let's go. The notes for the Glam Woman are red carpet energy. Okay. Confident, bold. Ooh. Top notes of bergamot, black currant. Yes. Middle notes are tuberose, orange blossom, and the base notes are vanilla, amber, and patchouli. And that patchouli's light. I can tell you, that patchouli is light. Go ahead and spray it on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, no. That patchouli is mid. It says it's the base, but oh, you guys, this is so good. This is so good. Glam Woman. Ooh, just the way. I can't. This is okay. Last one. Let's do it. We're ending with the rose. Okay, I'm not a rose girly. I'm not a rose girly, but let's check it out. Because it says that there's more than rose up in here. So the Rose Woman is supposed to be elegant, romantic, soft, and feminine. Okay. Top notes: rose petals, pink pepper. Okay. The middle notes: peony and jasmine. Love it. And then the base notes are white musk and cedarwood. So it's not a like full rose only. Oh, you guys, this is super nice. Ooh, this is super nice. I'm gonna put it on. Nice, like powdery, and it's not too much rose. I love this. Rose Woman, Bella Vita. You guys, run and get this set. Worth every penny. Worth every penny. Because now, and this is why I got this set, because I just wanted to make sure. I wanted to make sure because I love the honey oud. If you guys, I'm recommending the honey, anything from Bella Vita. Okay, now I need to go get their other set. I do have the other set. It's both sets are in my TikTok shop, and I think it's under $35. But it's this set and another women's luxury set. And it has the honey oud, it has white oud, it has, I think, sky one and an aqua one. But, guys, go check it out.